Welcome to today's in-depth exploration of the transformative power of artificial intelligence on various industries. Is your job under threat? As technology advances and AI becomes more integrated into our lives, certain sectors are poised for major shifts, and some jobs may face extinction. Join us as we embark on a comprehensive journey to uncover the 11 industries at the forefront of AI disruption and under the biggest threat of job losses. Let's get started. Number 1. Manufacturing's robotic revolution. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a seismic transformation through its rapid embrace of AI-driven robotics for unparalleled production efficiency. These advanced machines work tirelessly around the clock, leading to higher productivity and precision. However, with these remarkable advancements come significant changes to the workforce, as automation takes over repetitive tasks, potentially resulting in job losses for human workers. Number 2. Retail's predictive analysis takeover. Our journey takes us now to the realm of retail, where AI's predictive analysis capabilities are poised to revolutionize traditional shopping experiences. Personalized recommendations, dynamic inventory management, and even cashierless stores are becoming increasingly prevalent. Yet this remarkable convenience comes at a cost, as traditional retail roles might gradually fade away due to the automation-driven transformation. In at 3. Transportation's autonomous disruption. The transportation industry stands on the cusp of a monumental transformation, driven by AI-powered autonomous vehicles that hold the potential to reshape the very landscape of employment. While these vehicles promise enhanced safety and efficiency, they also give rise to concerns about the future of human drivers and the wide-ranging effects on support roles within the industry. Number 4. Finance and insurance's data revolution. Our exploration next guides us into the finance and insurance sectors, where an undeniable data revolution is underway. AI's unparalleled data processing capabilities empower advanced risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment strategies. However, these groundbreaking advancements might trigger the gradual obsolescence of certain job roles that once entailed manual data analysis. Number 5. Customer service's chatbot invasion. Our journey takes an intriguing turn to the realm of customer service, where the rise of AI chatbots is fundamentally changing the landscape of customer interactions. These responsive bots adeptly handle routine inquiries, ushering in efficiency. Nevertheless, this transformation prompts a contemplation of the balance between AI efficiency and the unique value of human interaction in customer service. Number 6. Data entry and administrative roles. We delve into the heart of data entry and administrative roles, where AI automation is redefining the very fabric of these tasks. Processes that were once labor-intensive and time-consuming are now being efficiently handled by AI systems. This progress, while remarkable, presents a dynamic challenge to the demand for these particular job functions. Number 7. Agriculture's precision revolution. Our journey of exploration leads us to agriculture, where AI's role in precision farming is enhancing crop yields and resource utilization. The pursuit of agricultural efficiency comes with the potential for reduced reliance on labor-intensive practices and negates salaries being paid, totally altering the landscape of farming roles. On to number 8. Construction's automated efficiency. The world of construction is undergoing a profound transformation through AI-driven efficiency enhancements. Automated equipment and machinery are executing tasks with pinpoint accuracy, a development that may reshape the roles associated with manual labor in the healthcare's diagnostic revolution. AI's profound influence extends to the healthcare sector, where it's revolutionizing diagnostics. The ability to analyze medical images and data empowers doctors to make more accurate diagnoses. While this advancement enhances patient care, it prompts a critical examination of the potential changes to certain medical roles. Number 10. Creative industries and content creation. Even the bastions of creativity aren't untouched by AI's transformative impact. AI-generated art, music, and content creation are reshaping the artistic landscape, raising intriguing questions about the very essence of human creativity. Lastly, number 11, the human element. As we conclude our immersive exploration, it's crucial to remember that AI, despite its transformative power, is only a tool. The human element, our ingenuity, adaptability, and capacity for innovation, remains irreplaceable in shaping our future in an AI-integrated world. Our journey through these 11 industries unveils the intricate dance between AI and the human workforce. We hope this exploration has provided you with valuable insights into the dynamic landscape of AI's impact on industries and the future of work. It's worth remembering that the growth and dependency on AI technology doesn't spell doom and gloom for humanity and the need for them in the workplace. There is always room for the personal touch, creativity, and ingenuity. Fortune always favors the brave, so ride with these huge advances in technology. Grow, develop, and harness the potential to elevate your own career. If you found this content thought-provoking and illuminating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay connected with our upcoming explorations.